y'all, welcome back to Rollin' Pin Recipes. We are creating a delicious appetizer, treat, snack that the family will love. There's a lot of variations that you can do with this. We're going simple. Pretzel bites dipped in cheese. I've got warm water, yeast, a little bit of brown sugar in here already. We are going to pour in the melted butter. And we are going to add in the flour. The recipe will be linked down below. We're going to add 4.5 cups of flour. We're just going to go in with the half. And I will add the salt on top of the flour. Then we'll mix it all up until it pulls away and then hand knead it. 1, half, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4. We're gonna start with 4, and I got a nice flour mess. Gonna start with this 4 dough hook. Simple ingredients, y'all. Delicious dessert or snack. Mix it up. I took it off the mixer. She's a little sticky still. It doesn't feel like we'll need to add much more flour, if any. I washed the counter up. We're just gonna give this a little knead. Then we'll oil up the bowl, let it double and rise for about an hour. It's warm in here. It's winter, but it's still warm in here. We'll just get this nice and ready, and we will let it rise. I've never made pretzels or pretzel bites. I love them. Used to get them at the mall. So delicious. The Annie Ann's, I don't really like. Pretzel maker, so good. That cheese sauce, y'all. And I also don't know if I've ever had the cinnamon sugar ones or anything. Or like a pizza pretzel. I don't think I've ever had that. It's probably good. Alright, y'all, I've been kneading this by hand for quite a minute. It's way better, way softer, and easier to work with, I guess. I don't know. But it's still ripping a little. I needed the cannolis out of this thing, so I think we're just going to rock it. Let it rise. Looks pretty good. It's decent size. Also, I didn't add any more flour. I stuck with the 4 cup. I'm going to put a little oil in this bowl. Let it rise in there. I'm going to set it in the microwave because it's warm in there, and we'll let it double probably about an hour. Hey y'all, just wanted to pop on here and let y'all know that these turned out incredible. I just want to emphasize that you should measure out the water and the baking soda to make sure you have the correct amounts. And make sure you don't boil them in there too long. These turned out delicious. You just section the dough out, roll it out nice and thin. You chop your little bites up. Boil them in the water for just a couple seconds. Pull them out. I also put them on my baking sheet way too heavily. This was way too many to eat, and they're way too close together. They turned out delicious. You only need a couple chunks of salt on there. That's what my family prefers. Anyways, these are a great little snack, appetizer, great for a football game, great for a party, great for a snack after school, after whatever. It's not that difficult, it's very delicious, very easy. Bake it in the oven till they're done and they turn out golden brown and delicious. I just use this little sifter strainer to get out my dough because I do not really have a spider. A slotted spoon device to pull out things from oil or water, which I need. These look incredible. They got cute little cracks on top, and you can dip them in cheddar cheese, cover them in cinnamon sugar. Absolutely delicious. Put pizza toppings, all sorts of options. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider subscribing, following us along for more. Give this video a like and let us know what you think. We really appreciate y'all, and we can't wait for more to come. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bon appetit!